Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are doing great, staying healthy and knowledgeable. Welcome to my today's video. My name is Lokesh Kaushik and today I'm going to show you how to remove background from an image using Photoshop. I'm going to show you two ways of doing that. The first one is by using the eraser tool or the magic eraser tool, which is not so my favorite, and I'll show you why. And the second method is by using select and mask tool, which is my favorite, and I'm sure you will find it very useful. So watch my whole video till the end and let me know in the comments below how you find it. If this is your first time on my channel and if you haven't subscribed so already, do consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. So let's get started. So we got a photo right in front of us and we're going to remove the background from this photo using the first way, which is by using eraser tool or the magic eraser tool. As you can see, there are number of colors in the background. It has got white, it has got green and little reddish, so it's going to take little time. Just be careful by removing it, as we don't want to remove any part of the picture that we actually want to keep. As you can see, we can't finish the whole job by using magic eraser tool itself, so we just selected the eraser tool so we can use both of them to make this job well done. As you can see, it's little time consuming and needs more attention to detail. I'm not going to spend a lot of time in this video because you got the idea how to use this tool and remove the background from this photo. So using eraser tool in between and change the size of the brush to make it a little bigger so we can finish the job quickly, but it's kind of drill. You're going back and forth between eraser tool and the magic eraser tool. So this is how you use magic eraser tool or the eraser tool to remove background from your photos. So just spend some time and make sure that the background is all removed. Yes, this process is time consuming, so that's why I recommend using the method 2, which I'm about to show you now. Now let's start using the other way that is my favorite, by going onto the top menu and then clicking select and then selecting select and mask tool. Once you're in the tool, make sure that on the right side the properties, the transparency is set to 50% so that whatever you select is absolutely clear, and you can see what you've selected and what you've not. On the left hand side you have the tool. This is called quick selection tool that we're going to use. Then we got on top add to selection and subtract to selection. The size is 3, but you can change as required. So we're going to start with number 7 and then let me zoom in. So we're going to keep, you can see this is what we want to keep, and we start with selecting from the top, then the neck, close. As you can clearly see what is being selected. So the part we're selecting is going to be kept in the image, and let's select this belt. It's good. Select the arms, and that is done. So let me zoom in just to double check. That's absolutely fine, and then make sure that the photo is smooth. So I'm going to choose 10 and press OK. Let me zoom out. You can see the background is removed and it's done beautifully. So the final part remaining, which is adding a layer, let's go here and select solid color. And here let's select the color that we want. Say we want to have a white color, so I'm going to choose the white color, press OK. Once it's done, move the layer on the top and hold down. That's how you remove the background and add the background color in Photoshop. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you find this useful, and I'm sure using this method you will be able to remove the background from all your photos effectively. I hope you find this useful, and if you like it, do hit the like button and do consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.